All right. Welcome back to another Blender restroom diorama basic video. Anyway, so we're gonna build the mirror. Let's select the back wall right here. And as you go, you should really name this stuff. It'll make your life a lot easier. I'm not going to. I'm just showing you the basics, but definitely don't do as I say, not as I do. But no, that's all right. Let's forget that. All right. Um, all right. So we are gonna select this wall right here, and we are gonna take it off. So select this eye, and it'll just disappear. And then select this wall, tap Edit Mode, and we can see this is pretty good. So we're just gonna create the mirror from this face. So again, Shift D. Escape A P by loose parts, and then tab object mode, and then we're going to select this here, and then we're going to press 1, and we are gonna, that's a pretty good space. Make this a little bigger, just like that. That's a pretty good mirror. All right, then we're going to go to edit mode. We're going to select this face, and we're going to extrude it. So press 3, and we're going to extrude it about halfway here, E. That's going to be how big our mirror is going to be. And let's see, we want to make it a little decorative, so the sides here, we're going to curve them in, or what's it called, inset them, right? And then the mirror, like this is just, think of the wood panel, right? So, and the inside is the mirror. So again, we're gonna inset it, right? And then we're gonna go E, back. And so this is gonna be the mirror part, this face, and the outer edges are gonna be like the wood that holds it together. All right, and that's how you make a mirror really fast. So then tab object mode. If you want to see it look a little better, or if you want to try to see what might look rendered, you press the viewport shading, and you press this one, the render one. All right, but let's go back. All right, we made a mirror. Let's see, something really simple that we can do, and let's put back our tiling on the walls. Actually, no, let's leave it off. We are going to do a towel rack, or towel holder. So press 1, and we're going to select Shift A, a little cube. We're going to go up over here and kind of line it up right about there. Then S, make it smaller like this, and then when you Shift D, GX 1, or so let's make this 3. All right, this will be a tower holder. We're gonna select these two parts and move them together over here. This is like move it up longer. This is where the restroom should be, I mean the toilet should be. Towel holder and mirror, so you can look at yourself. All right, so we're gonna make this all one part, so but not till later. All right, so select this, and we're gonna press Shift D again, then S, make it smaller like that. And you can also go ahead and do X-ray mode if it makes your life easier for this parts. Really cool thing. Let's say like there's too many things there and you want to isolate it. You can do multiple things at the same time. So this cube, that cube right there. So, and then this cube. All right, so Shift H, and it'll hide everything else. And like, let's say you want to bring it back, everything else, you put Alt A or Alt H, and then it'll come back. All right, all right. And then for this, we're just gonna make it bigger, so SX, and that's pretty good. We're not going for anything. All right. Now let's select all these three pieces. Oh, get out of X-ray mode, so it's a lot easier to select this. And then go like that, just a little bit. Select these two, then S, Y, yep, like that. Then press the middle one. All right, and that'll be your tower holder. And then after that, if we're just gonna make it one color, it's fine to like group it, and I'll show you how to group, which is just object. Where are you grouping? Or control join. Join select objects into objects. So yeah, we can just do a join, and it'll treat it as one big thing, but it's technically made of three others. All right, that's fine. Let's see. We'll stop here. We're trying to make these like 6-7 minutes. And next video, I'll show you how to make a sink. Yeah. All right.